across the city.
Nevermore. Nevermore. Nevermore.
What did you say?
Nevermore.
Quoth the Parrot. Nevermore. It'll never work.
Nevermore.
Anybody positive anymore? You know, I'd love to stay and chat with you, bird, but I'm busy. Plotting the downfall of my competition. Where was I? Oh, right. If this is going to be war, we're going to need a war room. You set that up for me, Briggs. And I want an anti-banner piece in every edition we run, somewhere in the first 5 pages. And I'm not talking about constructive criticism here. I'm talking about real, jugular, raw meat style. Here, take this thing, will you?
Oh, no.
The more personal, the better. You know, affairs, addictions, embarrassments, whatever. You get 2 reporters on it, Briggs. Keep them on it permanently.
And yet another display of principled journalism.
All right, that's enough. Everybody go away.
Todd, when are we going to discuss vacations for the staff?
Nevermore.
He's a born publisher.
And what about the bird?
What about it?
Well, he's obviously valuable and lost. Shouldn't we check with the classified, call the local TV news, check with the police?
Let's see if somebody filed a missing Parrot report.
Yeah, something like that. I mean, somebody must be looking for him.
On the lamb.
What? I tell you, you do all that, all right? But don't tell anybody why.
All right.
On the lamb?
Nevermore.
No, don't get your hopes up, all right? You can't... All right, you can stay here until I figure out what to do with you.
Feed the bird. Feed the bird.
I gotta feed this.
Feed the bird.
What do you think I'm trying to do? Everything here. I got candy bars, I got cold pizza, I got marshmallows. At least you're straightforward with me. I like that in a bird. At least you hear the way everybody talks to me. Todd, you're the greatest. Todd, have I got a deal for you? Oh, Todd, I love you. I know what they're really thinking.
Feed the bird.
Exactly. Well, come on, what is it that you want, huh? Here. 8 billion birds in the world. I get the one with an eating disorder. So what's this, some kind of a chicken nugget thing? Here, try it. Come on. Come on, take it. It's just chicken. Take it. Oh, I get it. You know, you're never going to get anywhere in this town. You don't learn to eat your own kind. You got to learn to adjust, to adapt, or you die. You go along, you just keep going. Try and be this square peg, fit in a round hole. You're going to wind up screwed up. Don't you come crying on my shoulder when that happens to you. What is it that you want?
Lamb shot.
Hey. Remember to get that deadbolt fixed.
Is this your idea of news?
No, that's yesterday's news. You should see what I'm working on for tomorrow.
This is evil-minded, simple-minded, cruel. What in God's name is that?
My new society page editor. Perfect, don't you think? He's just what I need to cover the bird brands you hang out with.
This is an outrage.
You're right, and I'm sorry.
You are?
Yeah, I didn't even mention your name until the 4th paragraph, but I promise, you go on a bender like this, I'll put you right on my front page.
So typical of you, Todd. To take advantage of a man's personal foibles.
I wouldn't call howling from a rooftop in downtown Landview personal, and I wouldn't call it a foible either, because I don't know what that is.
Do you know what a scandal sheet is?
Mel Hayes is a newsman. He knows what happens to people who make news.
That's not news. That's character assassination.
Well, whatever it is, I'm going to keep doing it, and you want to thank me for all the grief that I'm saving you. Yeah, that's right. Because I have a feeling that Mel Hayes isn't going to be around for too much longer, and you're going to have to find yourself a new plaything. Consider this just a warning about good old Mel.
Mel Hayes is worth 10 of you.
Well, he certainly drinks like 10 of me. Second thought, maybe I shouldn't warn you. Maybe I should enjoy watching you go through another romantic disaster, because Mel Hayes is not your type. For one thing, he's old enough to shave.
What's that bird up to?
Well, he hasn't eaten in a while, and he's trying to figure out what food group you are. Yeah, sicker.
You're sick. Back off. Back.
Sicker.
Grow up.
Cement shoes.
I have a feeling this is the beginning of a beautiful friendship.
Lamp